What did you not know about sex until you lost your virginity? That your partner isn't going to care about the little things about your body that you're insecure about and would think are a deal breaker. How much it could hurt. I remember thinking, OMG, how am I ever going to enjoy this? It's better with someone you care about. It doesn't have to be fast. Slow and steady wins the race. It's warm. Very warm. It's like jacuzzi warm in there. Pleasant surprise. I didn't know I'd be sore for like 2 days after. That I was allergic to latex. The smile afterwards that lasts for like a whole week. Condoms suck. That movies are not realistic at all.